Now, Dupli-Color has a complete undercoating line that'll help protect your vehicle from those elements. Now today I'm going to focus on Dupli-Color's professional undercoating and sound eliminator. Now this thick black coating is designed to provide ultimate protection for your vehicle. This high solids formula acts as a sound deadener to reduce road noise and provides a like-new finish as it seals and protects. And I'm going to use Dupli-Color's professional undercoating with sound deadener. Now these old vehicles don't have a lot of sound deadening, so that's going to help cut down on some of the road noise and also provide a like-new finish. Since we're applying the undercoating to the undercarriage of the car, with any car, it's subjected to harsh elements. There's going to be a lot of dirt, grease, grime, oils. All that needs to be cleaned off so the undercoating can do its job. So we have a few options here. Since we're working on our back, things might be a little bit more difficult to get to. Now we have a grease and wax remover bulk here. You can literally pour it onto a rag and wipe it on the surface. We also have an aerosol version as well for ease of application. Now, you can also go ahead and pressure wash the underside of the vehicle, wipe it down or spray it again, clean off the grease and grime, pressure wash it again, get it good and clean, let it dry, and then we're going to go ahead and undercoat the surface. Clean off surfaces by removing dirt, oil, grease, and loose rust. Thoroughly clean contaminated areas with a Dupli-Color solvent prep product and allow to dry completely. If needed, mask surrounding areas to protect from overspray. Apply undercoating in a well-ventilated area and shake can for 5 minutes before using. For best results, use at temperatures between 60 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Hold can 12 to 16 inches from the surface to be sprayed and apply evenly. Apply enough coats for full even coverage and maximum protection. Accidental overspray should be wiped off immediately with a Dupli-Color solvent prep product. The undercoating dries to the touch in 1 hour and completely dry in 2 hours. All right, I have the El Camino all undercoated and things are looking really good underneath there. I let it dry for about an hour. I peeled the paper off and you're gonna wanna let it dry for a total of about 2 hours when you get your car back on the road. So you can use this undercoating on floor pans, wheel wells, gas tanks, frames, door jambs, pretty much endless as far as you want that excellent rust protection. Based on your needs, we have an assortment of undercoatings to choose from.